Today, we'll be taking a look at diagnostic mode on this Whirlpool gas range. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. To enter diagnostics, we have to press a sequence of buttons. It's going to be cancel, cancel, start. As soon as you press it, it's going to pop up with TST, showing that we are in diagnostic test mode. Now, to go through test mode, there's a couple of things. Up and down will change where you're at in test mode. And each one of these functions indicates something different. Now, TST is going to be your relay test. You can do things such as press the oven light, for instance. This will turn the oven light on. You can press it again to turn it off. If you want to press the timer button here, this will turn all the LEDs on the board on. In order to turn it off, we press the timer button again. Now there's a lot of different functions you can do here, such as pressing bake, broil, you can test your surface elements, etc. Go off your tech manual, find out which button controls which, and start to test. Now, if we press the up arrow, you're going to see 68, 66. This is showing the current temperature of the oven temperature sensor, so you can test that. Press it again, you'll see U and O. This is your user offset for your cooking. If we press it again, you'll see 512. This is your software version. This is your memory. Now, the sixth button we press, this right now shows OK. There's a couple of things I can show here. You'll either have OK or you'll have clear. OK means that we have not had an error code in the system. If it says clear, that means that we have cleared the error codes that are inside the system. So if we press it again, right here, this is where it would tell us our first error code in the system. Now, refer to your tech manual. The most common error codes you might find would be an F6E1 for a temperature sensor. You may find an F9E0 for a miswired housing. You may find an F3E0 for an open temperature sensor, or you may find an F2E1 for a shorted keypad. Now when it shows this, it will also show you the total accumulated days of operation prior to the error code. And then of course, if we press it again, this is going to show us the total accumulated days of operation for this unit altogether. Now the last button that we press says H9. This would be if we have a door switch on this unit, and this unit does not have a door switch, but usually you would open and close the door, and it would either say open or closed. And then of course, if we press it again, it'll go back up to test. Now that has went through all the different options on the diagnostic mode. In order to exit, we simply press cancel, and this will complete diagnostics. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.